This is a duck. It swims, it waddles, and it goes quack, quack. This is an eagle. It's strong, it flies high, and it has a powerful cry. This is a pigeon. It's gentle, friendly, and it makes cute cuckoo sounds. This is an owl. It's awake at night, and it makes a funny hoot-hoot sound. This is a kingfisher. It loves water, and it catches fish super fast. This is a peacock. Look at its beautiful tail. It's like a rainbow. This is a sparrow. It's small, sweet, and it chirps all day. This is a parrot. Look how colorful it is. And it makes funny sounds. This is a banded wren. It's tiny and cute, and it sings fast, happy songs. This is an avocet. It has a curvy beak, and it loves sweeping the water for food. This is a bittern. It hides in the reeds and makes a deep, booming sound. This is a starling. It's shiny and smart, and it makes fun whistling sounds. This is an ibis. It has a long, bendy beak, and it loves searching for food in the water. This is a bowerbird. It builds pretty houses and decorates them with colorful things. This is a jay. It's clever and colorful, and it loves collecting acorns. This is a tanager. It's super colorful, and it sings sweet little songs. This is a swan. It's calm, graceful, and it floats so beautifully. This is a flamingo. It stands on one leg, and it's beautifully pink. This is a hoopoe. It has a fancy crest, and it makes a cute hoopoo sound. This is a lory. It's bright, colorful, and it loves sipping sweet nectar. This is a cardinal. It's bright red, and it sings cheerful, happy songs. This is an American robin. It has an orange belly, and it sings bright, cheerful songs. This is a kiwi. It's small, shy, and it doesn't fly at all. This is a tern. It flies fast over the sea, and it loves diving for fish. This is a jacana. It has long toes, and it can walk on floating lily pads. This is a red-backed kingfisher. It loves water, and it dives super fast to catch fish. This is a quail. It's tiny, shy, and it makes cute little whistling sounds. This is an ostrich. It's the biggest bird, and it can run super fast. This is a sandpiper. It runs really fast, and it loves playing by the water. This is a vulture. It has big wings, and it loves soaring high in the sky. This is a sandpiper. It runs really fast, and it loves playing by the water. This is a finch. It's tiny and cheerful, and it sings happy, chirpy songs. This is an oriole. It's bright and colorful, and it sings lovely whistling songs. This is a blackbird. It's shiny and sweet, and it sings beautiful whistle songs. This is a warbler. It's tiny and bright, and it sings beautiful little trills. This is a magpie. It's curious, clever, and it loves shiny things. This is a dove. It's calm, gentle, and it makes soft cuckoo sounds. This is a swift. It flies super fast, and it stays in the sky almost all day. This is a falcon. It's super fast and one of the best hunters in the sky. This is a turkey. It's big, funny, and it makes silly gobble gobble sounds. This is a partridge. It's shy, spotted, and it loves walking through tall grass. This is a nightingale. It's small, but it sings the most beautiful songs. This is a golden eagle. It's strong, shiny, and it flies higher than almost any bird. This is a pelican. It has a big beak pouch, and it scoops up fish with it. This is a macaw. It's bright, playful, and it loves to make loud sounds. This is a stork. It's tall and gentle, and it makes a funny beak clatter sound. This is a hawk. It flies high and fast, and it has a sharp, powerful call. This is a heron. It's tall and calm, and it loves standing by the water. This is a hummingbird. It's tiny, super fast, and its wings make a buzzing hum. This is a blue jay. It's bright blue, and it makes such fun, loud calls. This is a parakeet. It's tiny, friendly, and it loves to chirp all day. This is a seagull. It loves the beach, and it makes loud, funny calls. This is a swallow. It flies super fast, and it loves the open sky. This is a robin. It has a cute red chest, and it sings such happy chirps. This is a penguin. It loves the cold, and it walks in a funny waddle. This is a woodpecker. It pecks on trees. Listen to that tap-tap sound. This is a kiwi parakeet. It's bright green, and it loves hopping around the forest. This is a fulmar. It glides over the ocean, and it loves riding the windy waves. This is a sora. It's tiny and shy, and it makes the cutest whistly sound. This is a toucanet. It's small and colorful, and it loves eating yummy fruit. This is a curassow. It has a funny curly crest, and it loves munching fruit in the rainforest. This is a bowerbird. It loves decorating, and it collects bright things to make its home beautiful. This is a sunbird. It shines in the sunlight, and it sips yummy nectar from flowers. This is a lapwing. It has a funny crest, and it makes the cutest peewit sound. This is a pratincoal. It flies super fast, and it catches bugs right in the air. This is an oilbird. It lives in caves, and it uses little echo sounds to find its way. This is a finfoot. It has big, funny feet, and it loves swimming quietly in jungle rivers. This is a sedge warbler. It's tiny and busy, and it sings super fast, happy songs. This is a spindalis. It's bright and stripy, and it sings beautiful island songs. This is an anhinga. Its long neck looks like a snake, and it loves swimming under the water. This is a godwit. It has long legs, and it flies very far across the world. This is a chaw. It has bright red feet, and it loves flying around tall mountains. This is a pitta. It's bright like a rainbow, and it loves hopping on the forest floor. This is a rhea. It's big and fluffy, and it runs super fast across the grass. This is a phalarope. It spins in little circles, and that helps it find food in the water. This is a kestrel. It's a tiny falcon, and it can hover in the air like magic. This is a green heron. It's small and sneaky, and it waits very still to catch fish. This is a trogon. It's bright and magical, and it lives high in the rainforest trees. This is a motmot. It has a long, swinging tail, and it loves sitting quietly in. This is a sand grouse. It lives in hot deserts and can carry water in its feathers. This is a booby. It has bright blue feet, and it loves diving into the ocean. This is a siriema. It's tall and funny, and it makes loud kip-kip calls. This is a malachite kingfisher. It's tiny and shiny, like a little flying jewel. This is a kiwi parakeet. It's bright green, and it loves hopping around the forest. This is a malachite kingfisher. It's tiny and shiny, like a little flying jewel.